Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3 on the topic of Dialogue-1. I am repeating, today our topic is Dialogue-1. And students, this is our 15th lecture and 13th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 15th lecture and 13th homework. Students, for today's class, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about dialogue 1, 2, and you have to write the dialogues in your notebook. So let's begin. Our topic is dialogue, and first question of dialogue is, read the following situation, make a request dialogue and response. Use would or could. You want your friend to attend your birthday party. Students, from this question we come to know that your birthday is coming and you want your friend that he or she will attend at your birthday party. So you have to make a conversation, a dialogue on this. Here, myself means you and your friend Rifat. As you didn't find any name here, you can mention any name. You friend. That means it can be a girl or a boy. So we are starting the conversation. First, you are asking or you are saying, myself, hello Rifat, I supposed to go to your home. And in reply, Rifat will answer, really? Why? Is there any problem? Next, you will answer, no, actually 10th December is my birthday, so I'm going to arrange a party. Then Rifat will answer you, and surprisingly, he will answer, wow, that's great. You'll answer him, I shall be very happy if you attend my birthday party. Rifat will ask you, whom did you invite? And you will give answer, all of my friends. And Rifat will tell you, well, I'll not miss and try my best to attend the program. And at last you will thank him by saying, thank you. So I'm again repeating the conversation that you want your friend to attend your birthday party. First, you will mention Rifat by saying, hello Rifat, I supposed to go to your home. Rifat will reply, really? Why? Is there any problem? You will reply him, no. Actually, 10th December is my birthday, so I'm going to arrange a party. Rifat will express his feeling by saying, wow, that's great. Now it's your turn. You'll say, I shall be very happy if you attend my birthday party. Next, Rifat will ask you, whom did you invite? You'll answer, all of my friends. Then Rifat will say, well, I'll not miss and try my best to attend the program. At last, you'll thank your friend Rifat by saying, thank you. Now, we'll discuss about dialogue 2. And the question is, read the following situation. Make a request dialogue and response. Use would and could. You want your father to give you some money for buying books. So this is the question, and from this question we come to know that you have to buy some books, and for that you need money. So you'll ask money from your father. So you have to make a conversation with your father, and here I have given the conversation. I'm going to read this conversation. Myself means you, and here is your father. You will start conversation with your father asking, "Father, could you give me some money, please?" Your father will again ask you, "What would you do with the money?" You will answer, "I would like to buy some books from the book fair." And your father will ask you, "With whom would you go?" You will answer, "I'd go with mother." And your father will answer, "It is a very good idea. How much money do you need?" You will answer, "I need taka 1,000. Your father will give you by saying, "Here it is," and at last you will thank your father by saying, "Thank you." I'm repeating the conversation again. Please be careful. Here you are asking your father by saying, "Father, could you give me some money, please?" Your father will ask you, "What would you do with the money?" You replied him, "I would like to buy some books from the book fair." And your father will again ask you, "With whom would you go?" And in reply you will say, "I would go with mother." And your father will say, "It is very good idea," and will ask you, "How much money do you need?" And you have to answer, "I need taka 1,000. And the father will tell you, "Here it is." And you have to thank him by saying, "Thank you." Students, these are for our dialogue, and one thing you have to keep in mind that you can write dialogue right as usual writing. You have to maintain the sequence. Look here, in this dialogue we have written the speaker in this side and the speeches are that side, and here this is gap. We didn't write here, and under the speaker or below the speaker we can't write. Sometimes you do like this, you write myself, and your conversation is like this. You write all there and then father. Father, please don't write like this. Don't write like this. You have to maintain a sequence. You have to write only this side. You can't write below the speaker. The side of below the speaker will be empty. If you need space, you have to write here. And if you can't complete your writing here, you can take another space. And please don't write here. Then after completing your writing, you will come to next line. Here, from here you have to start your writing. You can say this, and in this pattern you have to follow while writing the dialogue. And if you don't follow this system, number will be deducted from your homework and in final exam also. So be careful while writing the dialogue. I hope you can understand the pattern, and please again be careful while writing, while answering the dialogue. You have to maintain the pattern of writing dialogue. Students, now it's time to provide your homework. Your homework will be dialogue 1. I'm repeating, your homework will be dialogue 1. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number is 15 and homework number is 13. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you will get your CT, diary and SPM marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.